we want to highlight to you the 10 characteristics of a PLC, that these are the 10 characteristics for a PLC to drive, and also to ensure the potential of PLC in enhancing e-learner performance. Because we believe that, colleagues, working together with SACE, with the Department of Education, with VVOP and other organizations, that with the PLC, we can ensure that we work together, we share strategies, and we network, and then we improve e-learner performance. Because at the center of it all, it's about e-learner attainment. Therefore, the third objective is that one. But we are here also to discuss the role of different stakeholders in the establishment of PLC. Here I'm talking about yourselves, teachers. I'm talking about the support that you'll be getting from your SMT in establishing the PLC. The role that SACE plays in terms of ensuring that you upload points and you are accredited. The role of unions in ensuring that they also encourage members to join and to form part of PLC. The role of a provincial education department, because all those stakeholders are also part of ensuring that PLCs are established and they are also sustained. But also, we want to look at ways, as Dr. Mlaba has indicated, when you break out to sessions, it's when you'll be looking at ways, how are you going to ensure that the PLCs are effective? Because we need to have structures in circuits, in schools of PLCs, so that we ensure that PLCs are effective. And also to explore the use of other resources, including online platforms. As much as PLCs can be face-to-face, but we also want you to ensure that you infuse digital. You use online platform to ensure that you conduct your meeting, you have sessions so that you improve e-learner performance. So those are objectives of our PLCs. And then, colleagues, I want to say, therefore, we are not just here for PLCs as if we are sucking this process. It comes from our constitution. If you look at Principle H, that speaks to good human resources. Therefore, from that section 195 of the Constitution, it says we need to have good human resource and management and career development practices to maximize potential that must be cultivated. So, right from our Constitution, it says we need good human resource. And then how to get that human resource is through ensuring that we've got professional learning communities so that we develop each other there, and then we take that and we translate it into the classroom so that we improve our practice